Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. This is Banjing Vlog here in Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. Today, this is my breakfast. It's a pandi kuku. See guys, full of coconut. It's a pandi kuku. It's so yum. This is compliments from Almaca. Guys, I'm going to show you outside. Today is raining. First time in 2022. Good morning. Ayan, it's so heavy rain over here. Ayan, it's flooding already down there. But see, it's already flooding. It's our neighborhood.com. Siyempre, takbo na si Baya. Maulan eh. See. First time in 2022. It's raining. Yeah. See. It's raining, man. It's raining, man. See, it's too much heavy rain since in the midnight. It's flooding down there. You see. It's splashing, guys. Yan pa. Yan, nagpa-flood na dito. Heavy ng rains here in Oman for the first time in 2022. So that's all for now. I'm going to take shower. Yes. Good morning. Happy Sunday to all of you. Bye. I'm here inside my house. See you on the next vlog.